Hey everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie here, and I got my June Class from the Past box. And this is Vivian Lee. She played in Gone with the Wind. That's the most memorable thing I remember her in. It says she's played in A Streetcar Named Desire, which I think she won an Oscar for it, and she won an Oscar for Gone with the Wind. She was married to Sir Laurence Olivier for a while. Anyway, on with that. I always hate looking down because I always have to look down when I do this. This box I just absolutely adore. They are so precious and so cute on everything that they do. So here I'm going to start with, and in this big flyer it does have over here what's in the box, and if you look, that is a ton of stuff in this box, a ton. So there's no prices, I'm just going to show y'all the different things. One thing that they always do is they always include a From the Charming Women 1940s magazine, and this one's called The Perfect Posture, which I know I don't always have the most perfect posture. The way to hold yourself is a dead giveaway as to what you think of yourself, and the world will accept you very largely at your own valuation. And it goes on. That's really, really cute. This one included, it said a postcard, but I got 3 different postcards. That's a really pretty one up there. There's her, and that's Rhett Butler, I think. Gone with the Wind. Okay, so we have that. I had 2 gifts that were wrapped, and they were mystery gifts to me, and this is what I got. So if you're Geek Class from the Past and you haven't got it yet, I don't know if yours will be the same. This is a satin pillowcase for smoother skin and healthier hair, and it is nice. It feels really, really good. Then in here, this was one of my wrapped gifts, is the most prettiest hairpin, if I can get it out. I don't know if that's showing real well. I can see that. I have to grow some hair to put that in, or put on my pink wig maybe. But it's a hairpin. That's what that is. Then down here we got Yes to Blueberries Age Refresh Cleansing Facial Wipes. So this is what they look like. It says there's 10 in this package. Okay, I got a little coin purse. It's really darling. And inside of the coin purse was 2 mini size Paris Hilton nail polishes, and they are both gorgeous colors. Then let me see, I'm gonna have to put some stuff down. I gotta set the box down to do the rest. Okay, a silk scarlet scarf. That was her name, and Gone with the Wind was Scarlett O'Hara, sorry. And so that's that. That's really cute. And then this is just adorable. I'm gonna take it out. This is a makeup bag. Gone with the Wind movie trivia. It says it was nominated for 13 awards in 12 categories. Gone with the Wind took Best Picture, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, Best Screenplay, and won 5 more on top of that. And it said over 1,400 women auditioned for the role. And so this is a little clacker, is what they're called. I think it's clicker? No, it's clacker. For movie productions. But that's a little makeup bag. That is really cute. Then her favorite flower was white roses, but in its place they sent me Alyssum Carpet of Snow, some white seeds to sow. Let me grab the rest of my... There was a little bag of caramels, but I already ate it, so I can't show y'all those because I ate them. Okay, here's a little red bag, and inside contains gorgeous green dangly and rhinestone earrings, and these were in honor of Scarlett O'Hara's dress, her curtain dress that she made in Gone with the Wind, which was a real pretty emerald green. So those are just precious. Precious, precious. And yes, the other earrings that I was wearing, and I haven't put my studs back in, I only wore them for about, I don't know, 20 minutes one day and maybe 30 another day. And they made my ears sore. I just don't know why I can't wear certain earrings anymore. Okay, and in here, this is I tied it back shut, a strawberries and oatmeal facial mask. It comes with a brush for spreading, and here's the mask. And then it also comes with some jojoba, which I think this is a jojoba oil. I'm pretty sure that's the same as argan oil, but maybe not. Those may be 2 different trees. I was thinking just one place they call it one thing and one they call it another, but don't quote me on that because we all know I'm crazy. Okay. Then this is cute. This is a 2-in-1 lip liner, eyeliner with a built-in sharpener on the end. So that is a black eyeliner and then a pretty, ooh, that's almost the color on my lips. Right there, I don't know if y'all can see that real well. There we go. And I can't read cosmetic pencil. The writing on it looks like the Lottie, something Lottie London. I went blank. I went so blank. I can't remember. And then I was like, what in the world is this? It's a little tiny wine bottle. Manzi Mayo Laboratories of Nature. Wine lip tint. Dare to dream, dare to pursue. And how freaking cute is that, being a little wine bottle? That is adorable. So that takes care of everything in my class from the past. I don't think I took anything out that I didn't show already. Let me look on the brochure real quick. Okay, so I had the Scarlet scarf. The clapperboard is what they're called. Yeah, no, I called it clacker, but I think I've heard it clacker before, but they say clapperboard. Makeup pouch, vintage floral coin purse, the American Seed Alyssum flower packet, emerald costume dangly earrings, we had that, the Southern Belle hairpin, showed y'all that, the mini bottles of the Paris Hilton nail polish, the wine bottle lip tint, the clay and strawberry face mask, Say Yes to the Blueberries, high pigment lip pencil or lip liner with the eyeliner built into it, yes. And then I had the Gautier's chocolate caramels, which I ate. And then in mine I had the 3 postcards instead of just the 1, and then my free gift was the satin pillowcase. So yes, that was everything in that box. So y'all let me know what you think. You think I should get it another time or not? There's something on my foot and it's driving me nuts. I get stuck for words. Anyway, so okay, so that is that box there.